Hi guys, in this session I will explain HashMap internal implementation. Okay, we already know HashMap, it is key and value pair, right? So it stores the data into the key and value pair. But how internally it works, so I will explain in this sessions. Before going to internal implementation, we need to know these things. These 2 points are very important. Note down. Okay, suppose if you don't know this, then you don't know the internal implementation. If you know this only, you will know HashMap internal implementation. Okay, suppose if you tell these wrong answers with this case 1, case 2, case 3. Okay, if you tell wrong answers, then interviewer, he won't ask next question on HashMap, so he will jump into another question, so you will get bad impression. Okay guys, so what are these two things we need to keep in our brain? Suppose if two strings are same, hash code is same. Very simple. Okay, if two strings are identical, it means if it is same, then hash code is same. You see here in the case 1, string str1 hello and string str2 hello, both strings are same, right? Both are identical. Okay, what about that hash code? Hash code is same. Okay, hash code is same. The second point, if two strings are different, okay, if two strings are different, just a minute, if two strings are different, the hash code may or may not the same. Okay, suppose if you see here, the hello in case 2, we have the two different strings, str3 hello, str4 world. Okay, what is the hash code? Hash code is different. Okay, look at this case 3. We have the two strings, right? str5 fb, str6 equal to 8. Here also we have the two different strings, but what is the hash code? Hash code is the same. Okay, this is very, very important. Keep in your brain this, don't forget it. Okay, if two strings are different, hash code may or may not be the same. That we cannot determine. That this is depends on JVM hashing algorithm. JVM it will decide. We cannot decide either hash code is same or not for different strings. Okay, this is the example. Guys, very simple. If strings are same, hash code is same. Strings, if two strings are different, hash code may same or may not be same. We cannot decide. This is very important. Okay, based on this, the HashMap internal implementation, it works. Okay, we'll go for internal implementation. Okay, internally what will happen? Okay, first what we will do, suppose we are if we are adding the strings as a key and value, so what it will do, it will check the null keys. If it is null, then what it will do, it will go and store into the first bucket, I mean zeroth bucket. Zeroth bucket is reserved for the null case. Okay, and if it is not null, then what it will do, it will generate the hash code. Okay, I will come here. I've written the flow diagram here. Guys, you see here, first it will take the key. The key is null? No, it is not null. HashMap, it will allow the key. Suppose if it is null, it will take null as a key, and the value, right, it will store into the bucket of 0. Zeroth bucket is reserved for the null keys. It will allow only one time. Suppose if you give the duplicate null, so it will override in the zeroth bucket. Suppose if it is not null, then it will come here. Okay, it will come here. Suppose fb is the string we are going to add to the map, so it will generate the hash code using hash code method. After generating the hash code, it will check the hash code, either this is exist into the entry in the hash map. Suppose the hash code is not available into the hash map, So what it will do directly, so if it is not available, then it will store key and value pair. If it is available, means it will go to the same bucket and it will take the key. I mean, hash code is same, right? Same means again it will take the key and it will compare with the key content using equals method. Okay, using equals method. Suppose both are same, it will update with the old value with the new value. If it is not same, the key content is not same, then it will store into the key and value pair. It's very simple. Okay, guys, you see this is the flow diagram. First it will check the key is null or not. If it is null, then it will go into the 0th bucket. If it is not null, then it will generate the hash code, and after generating the hash code, what it will do, it will check the hash code into the existing map, either the hash code is available or not. If it is available, the hash code, what it will do, it will take the key of that hash code. It will take the key of that hash code and it will check the content, the key content is same or not. If it is same, then it will come. If it is not same, then it will go and add the key and value pair in the linked list format here. If it is same, then it will update the duplicate key. I mean, it will replace with the old value with the new values. This is the HashMap internal implementation. Okay, first I will explain in the table also. HashMap default size is 16. Okay, the same example I am taking, guys. You see here, FB I am taking and generating the hash code. Okay, generating the hash code. So once hash code is generated, okay, hash code is generated, I will check into this map. First time it won't available, right? So what it will do, so it will go and add here. Okay, it will go and add FB and value. Okay, this is for next element. Okay guys, and now we stored into the key and value pair at 6th bucket. Okay, now come here. Now we are going to add EA. Okay, hash code is the same. FB and EA hash code is the same. So what it will do, you go here, go to the 6th bucket. Okay, and what is the existing is this one, right? It will take this key because hash code is the same, right? It will take this key, it will check the key content with the newly added, which one we are adding, EA, right? So it will check FB dot equals of EA. It will check the key content, it will compare. So if it is same, it will override. Means it will override the value. If it is not same, you see here EFB is different, right? So it will store into the linked list format. You see this is linked list, right? You see this is key and value, and this is the next element to add. So the next element, what it is, FB. This is key and value. This is next element to add. This is linked list format it will add. Okay. Now come here. What is next? Now ABC. What is the hash code? Is this one. Okay, ABC 9653. So the same it will do. It will check key is null. No, it will generate the hash code. After generating the hash code, it will check either it is available into the existing map or not. If it is not available, then it will store into the key and value pair in particular bucket. And if it is same, then as usual it will check the key content, and it will compare with the keys. If it is not same, then it will store with the linked list format. If it is same, then it will override the duplicate key, duplicate value with it. Update the value with the duplicate key. Okay, now ABC came. So ABC, so it generated the hash code. It's not available the hash code, so it stored into this bucket. Okay, now come here. Now BAC hash code. Okay, this one 9270. Again it will generate the hash code here. It will follow the steps. It will generate the hash code. it will check hash code is available into the map. It's not available, then it will add into this bucket. Okay, who will decide this bucket? There is an algorithm, so it will take the bucket, it will take. Okay, we are not telling to go and store a particular bucket. Okay, now come here. Now xyz also the same. Okay, xyz and yxz. So again it will come here, it will generate the hash code and it will add. Okay guys, it will add. So after that, what it is, now you can go this one, hello. You see, hello, it will generate the hash code first. Okay, hello world, it will add into the map. Okay, assume it is adding into any bucket. You can take this one, 14th bucket. Okay, and next what it comes, again the same key it is there. Same key means same string, same string means the same hash code. The same hash code means, so if it is same hash code, what it will do, it will check the content with the hello. Okay, if the key is available, then it will override with this one with value. It means the world, right, overrides with everyone. Okay, now you come here, the world, again it will go and add, it will generate the hash code for world. It will go and add into the buckets. Okay, again it will come this one. So key is already available, right? I mean, first it will check the hash code and again it will check the key. If it is same, then it will override with the earth is overwritten with the planet. Okay, that is the internal implementation. Okay guys, you see here, yeah, you see world, planet, this one, right? So these are all not there, it's overridden. You see the hello, okay, it's overridden with everyone, and world overridden with the planet, okay. Yeah, where is the hello? I think hello I didn't add, but it will be in somewhere. Okay guys, this is the internal implementation. Now let's come to the code. I will explain. Come to the code, I will show you. Now you see, this is the code I already have written. The same whatever I have explained, you read the same, I have written this piece of code. Okay, let me debug and I will show you. Debug on Java. Okay, go to the variables. In the variables, okay, open this one, guys. Initially it will be so like this. So suppose if you want to see the logical structure, so you have to click this one. You see there is an logical structure, you see, so logical structure, then it will show the table and everything. Okay, now you open this one. See what is the default size for HashMap 16, from 0 to 15 is total 16 size. Okay, now you see 0 is reserved for null keys. We didn't add this one, right? 0 null we didn't add, right? We have added. Where is the null? We didn't add. Okay, this is reserved for null keys. Okay, let me explain. Now you see here this one, what is the key for this one? ABC. What is the value? Value 3. Okay, suppose if you see the sixth one, yeah, you see here what is the key? EA. So EA and FB have both hash code is same, right? So suppose if you click on the next, the linked list format, so what is the key? FB. What is the value? Value 1. Again next, see null, next is null, so only 2 lists available, I mean 2 linked lists, 2 nodes, not linked list, 2 nodes. Okay, now come here and open this one. This is also the same. You see here what is the key? Key is BAC and the value is value 4, and these and all are null, and go to the 14th one and you see what is the key? Key is world, and what is the value? Planet, and what is the next value? next value is yxz, and value is value 6. So 2 nodes it is added into the 14th bucket. Okay, and the 15th one. Okay, what is the key? xyz. What is the value? Value 5. You got it? So this is the HashMap internal HashMap internal implementation. Okay, guys, everything, the HashMap, it works on based on the hash code. So how we are generating the hash code? So it works for string, right? For string it will give, because string predefined class, right? So we cannot override. Suppose if it is customized objects, then we need to override. Okay guys, if it is customized objects, then we need to override. I will show you the example. This is employee class. Okay, employee class having three fields: id, name, salary. Okay, this is parameterized constructor. Then this is the hash code. Now we come here. Okay, now I am adding the you see here, I am executing this one. See, we are overridden the hash map, right? You see here, we are overridden the hash map. So based on this logic, it will store into the buckets. I mean, it will generate the hash code. After generating the hash code, the same whatever I have explained, right? It will continue the steps. Okay, I will show you the debug. Okay, open the employee map and go to the tables. You see here, the 0th index, that is for null value, and third one, what is the key? This is for employee. This is one employee. Okay, this is one more, and this is one more. I mean, total 4, right? 4. It is in 4 different buckets. You see, 4 different buckets. This is 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different buckets it is storing. Okay guys. Okay, suppose the interviewer, he may ask the cross question. Okay, so instead of overriding this logic, suppose if you return 1 for always, so what will happen? This is the cross question. You can come here and you see the hash code is 1, right? The always it is 1 means first it will generate the hash code. Hash code is already there, 1. So what it will do, you go here. Okay, it will find the bucket and it will add. Okay, and second time if you add, and same hash code it will come, and same bucket it will go, and object is different, right? So it will go with the next node. Okay, the same, the third one, the same, it is fourth one. You see, this is link, right? First node it's linked to the second node, and second node it's linked with the third node it's linked with the fourth node. It's a linked list format, right? So but everything it is going into the first bucket of 1. I mean, first bucket it is going. Suppose if you add 1000 also, it will go into the same bucket. If you add 1 lakh employee objects, it will go and store into this bucket 1 only. Okay, but what is the disadvantage here? We are not utilizing actual benefit of HashMap. So we are just using the linked list, right? It directly goes in the first bucket and it will add. That is linked list, right? So that is the disadvantage. So that is the cross question he may ask the interviewer. Where is the hash code? So ideally we need to override hash code and equals method for customized objects. Okay, you can click source and generate hash code and equals method, select all and generate. Okay, the tool it will generate the hash code and equals method. Okay, now I will show you. I think I already shown you, right? It was in different buckets before. Yeah, thank you for watching.